Knight Rider, Batmobile, all of these cars were their very own. If you too like riding in style, SS Customs here in Redwood City is ready to give your wheels a wrap, boost, and distinctive detailing that'll make your vehicle one of a kind. Let's check out the Bay's premier vehicle enhancement studio. Hey, you must be Sharif.
Hey, what's up? How you doing?
I'm great. Give me a sense of the types of services that you're offering here, because I see a lot of different things going on.
Sure, we focus on three things: design, protect, and perform. Encompassing those three things are everything that we do. So on the design side, we'll be able to change the color of your car, give you accents, get rid of chrome, add more chrome, whatever have you, new wheels, tires, the suspension, the whole bit. Then we have the protection side, which is really popular. We do like a lot of ceramic coatings like Ceramic Pro, or Clear Bra paint protection films, and all the way down to perform side, where it's basic bolt-on performance, intakes, exhaust systems, aero performance for a little bit better, drag on the roads. Just a little bit of everything to give you the full makeover experience if you decide to do so.
This is like the type of thing that you walk away with feeling empowered.
It is. The coolest thing about building cars is like everyone has their own personality, right? So I look at people when they come in, they'll bring me a blank slate. Some customers will come in and they'll like be infatuated, let's say a superhero, or they want to feel like they're driving something a little bit more flamboyant or whatever have you, but their cars become a representation of their personality. They might not be able to be shout, be outrageous and do this and that because their personality doesn't do it. But you can look at their car and be like, whoa, you drive that? And it's like, it's their way of showcasing what they feel inside. And that part of the experience is really cool, especially the pickup. Like if they're picking it up, they're like, whoa. Whether they're speechless or they can't stop talking or they're just like, they don't know what to do.
I mean, these cars are people's investments, their passions.
You have the people who just want something real mild just to make it their own, because they see a lot of their car on the road. They want to do something just to change it up. All the way up to just full-blown builds.
You're not a one-man shop.
I don't really believe in a one-man shop kind of thing. Everybody puts together to make something happen. So with our team here, we're all working together and we're consistently going back and forth with each other. Like what I can do to help you improve, vice versa. We're sharing those ideas. That ultimately translates back to the client's work.
All right, the shop is clearly very busy right now. What are you working on?
All kinds of crazy custom stuff, but I like to show you what we do. All right, so I'm gonna show you right here how to apply some Clear Bra. This is the film. We're gonna pull the backing off.
Yeah.
And next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna apply our application fluid, which is like a gel. Mm-hmm. So go ahead, put that on. Got this. Go over it, just make sure it's smooth. I think you got it.
Okay.
Sweet, and that's how you Clear Bra a fog lamp. We do everything by hand. We hand tailor all of our Clear Bra film, so that way you get just a cleaner all-around wrap.
Sharif, thank you so much for showing me behind the scenes
You're
at
most
SS.
welcome, Crystal.
I had a good time.
Yeah, absolutely, we did too.